If you're looking for a 4K dash cam but you don't want to spend premium money, this might be one of the best value options available right now. This is the 70mai A810 Lite, a compact dual-channel dash cam that records 4K, supports parking surveillance, and has built-in GPS, voice controls, Wi-Fi 6, and even optional 4G connectivity. And with the current discounts bring it down to around $90, this might be just one of the best value 4K dash cams under $100. So after spending some time with it, here's what you need to know. The first thing that stood up to me is how compact this thing is. A lot of dash cams can be bulky and take up noticeable amount of windshield space, but the A810 Lite stays stuck neatly behind the rear view mirror and is easy to forget once it's installed. Despite its compact size, you will still get a 3-inch display on the back for reviewing footage and navigation through the settings. This is also a dual channel setup, meaning you get a 4K front camera and a 1080p rear camera included in the package. Feature-wise, it checks most of the boxes you'll expect from a modern dash cam. There's a built-in GPS, HDR recording, voice controls, supports up to 512GB of micro SD card, and a super capacitor instead of a traditional battery, which should help with long-term reliability, especially in hot climates. The A810 Lite works with the 70mai app, and honestly, it's one of the best dashcam apps I've used. You can preview footage, browse recordings, download clips, and adjust settings directly from your phone. One feature I really appreciate is the inclusion of Wi-Fi 6. If you ever tried downloading a 4K footage from a dashcam before, you know how painfully slow that process can sometimes be. The camera also supports voice commands, allowing you to lock important recordings or capture photos without taking your hands off the wheel. Another thing worth mentioning is that this bundle already comes with a 64GB of micro SD card in the box. That means that you can start using it immediately without having to buy additional storage separately. And if you really need maximum storage, the A810 Lite support cards all the way up to 512GB, which can store approximately 33 hours of footage before older recordings get overwritten. But let's talk about the most important thing, video quality. The front camera records in true 4K resolution with HDR, and for the price, the footage is genuinely impressive. During the day, details are sharp across the frame, road signs are easy to read, lane markings remain clear, and nearby license plates are generally easier to identify compared to lower resolution dashcams. The colors also look natural without being overly processed or overly saturated. The camera uses a 140-degree field of view, which I think is the sweet spot. It's wide enough to capture surrounding traffic and multiple lanes without introducing excessive fisheye distortion. HDR also helps a lot when dealing with difficult lighting conditions. So whether you're driving to areas with strong sunlight or sudden change in lighting, the camera does a respectable job maintaining details throughout the image. Overall, daytime footage is exactly what you want from a 4K dashcam. Nighttime performance is where many budget dashcams start to struggle, but the A810 Lite performs surprisingly well. It features an f1.55 aperture, allowing more light to reach sensors in darker environments. Combined with 70mi's image processing, the result is brighter and clearer footage during nighttime driving. Road markings remain visible, street signs stay readable, and overall exposure is handled well for a camera in this price range. Headlight glare is still present, which is something you'll find on almost every dashcam, but the camera generally does a good job in keeping the scene balanced. The rear camera records at 1080p, so it won't match the detail level of the front camera, but it can still provide useful coverage of what's happening behind your vehicle. Another area where the A810 Lite stands out is parking surveillance. When paired with the optional 4G Hardwire Kit, the camera can continue monitoring your vehicle even after the engine is turned off. You get collision detection, buffered emergency recording, and time-lapse recording. The buffered recording feature is especially useful because it captures footage before and after an impact occurs, giving you more context if something happens while your car is parked. One thing that's different this time is the 4G kit already includes a SIM card, making the setup much easier. Once connected, you can remotely access the camera through the 70mai app, receive instant notification, view live footage, track your vehicle's location, monitor battery status, and even set up geofencing alerts. 70mai also offers a subscription system that unlocks additional cloud and remote monitoring feature. Personally, I think dashcam works perfectly fine without subscription, but it's nice to have the option if remote monitoring is important to you. Now, one thing worth mentioning is that I've actually been using the higher-end 70mai T800, which is one of their more premium dashcam systems. So going into this review, I was curious to see how much of that experience would carry over to the more affordable A810 Lite. And honestly, I came way impressed. While the T800 still offers a more premium overall package, the A810 Lite delivers the things that matters most for everyday drivers. You still get excellent 4K footage, solid night performance, GPS, parking surveillance, voice controls, fast Wi-Fi transfers, and optional 4G connectivity in a much more affordable package. So if you're someone who's looking for a budget-friendly but reliable dashcam, I think the A810 Lite hits a really sweet spot. For the price, it offers a lot of features, great image quality, and a kind of peace of mind that most people are looking for when buying a dashcam. If you're interested in getting the product, I will be putting a link in the description box of this video. It's definitely an easy recommendation for me.